Guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable handwriting pen detection on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and on the home screen swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In here, go down and tap on general management, then go down and tap on Samsung keyboard settings. Next, go down and tap on handwriting, and in here tap on pen detection to switch it on or switch it off. Now, if you switch it on, then when you are on a keyboard, so for example, let's say if I have opened up my note and in here is a text field. Now you can see at the moment I have my keyboard opened, and if I eject the pen out, so once I pull out the pen, you can see my phone automatically turn on handwriting with a pen ready for me to write. Okay, so if I switch off this feature, so if I go back into settings and switch off this feature, and I go back to my note. Now here, if I bring up my keyboard and if I remove my pen, if I take out my pen, you can see it does not automatically open up handwriting pad for me. So that is what the handwriting pen detection does. It allows the phone to automatically open up the writing pad ready for you to write with your pen. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.